For the repair of the PCB and chassis kit, the following procedures were necessary. Replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing we use 24-volt DC power supply and some pressurized air. When we turn the power supply, the unit reacts accordingly, and we see that the screen lights up. No further testing is possible due to the absence of additional units. It is now clear that the PCB and chassis kit is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the client.